Hello viewers, if you are interested in knowing how to make motivational or inspiring videos for social media, then you should watch this video. My name is Ken and you're welcome to the channel. Now let's go straight to the point. First you go to Canva, then in the search button you type mind wellness or motivational videos. Click on wellness quotes or growth mindset quotes. Then you click on the filters button so you can be able to choose the video format. Next you click on apply. Now you search for the kind of video that suits your need. With this method, you will be able to make faceless videos completely free of charge. I'm okay with this particular write-up, so I will click on duplicates to make another write-up, that is another page. Now you click on the picture there on the video, and there you can now edit. So whatever you want to write, you can also use ChatGPT for ideas. You can add transition between pages to give it a nice effect. And you can also decide to add animation to the video to give it a kind of 3D, three-dimensional look. I will also add animation to the second page. Now you can click this button here if you are okay with what you've done to download. Then you click on download and then it downloads straight to your phone. So this is the finished product of what we have, and always ensure you select a very eye-catching video so that it can engage your viewers. So this particular video does not have audio, so we're going to add audio to this video, and we'll make sure that our audio does not have any copyright issues. To add our audio, we head over to CapCut to add our audio. So once you are able to add your audio, you click on the audio and click on fade to adjust the fade in and the fade out. Now what we do is we trim off the excess audio, as we won't be needing that. It's longer than the video clip. And then we also adjust the fade out. Now you export this directly to your gallery by clicking on this button right here. So guys, this is basically how to make those motivational and inspirational videos that you see on social media. With this, we've come to the end of today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, all the best.